Hi everyone. So my name is Kiki. I'm here on behalf of CHFRY Finance. I'm here with my team and Padfood and Fondue, and we're presenting CHFRY Finance. So without any further ado, let me just get started. So CHFRY is a DeFi protocol which supports interest-free, self-repaying, and zero liquidation risk loans and cheapest on-chain leverage trading tools using flash loan infrastructure. As such, you can tokenize your future yield and leverage your wealth without risk of liquidation and experience fully decentralized on-chain margin trading tools with super low fees. Our mission is to solve existing DeFi market challenges, which are related to capital inefficiencies, correlated yield strategies, and underutilization of the flash loan services. And before I go to the vision statement, let me just talk a little bit about the flash loan services, because so our team believes that flash loans, these instantaneous and unsecured DeFi lending solutions where a loan is borrowed and paid back in one transaction, really offer unique investment and trading opportunities. There is no waiting period, no risk, no need for collateral, really. Only a customized transaction tailored to your needs and limitless trading and investment opportunities right at your fingertips, from collateral swaps to arbitrage, portfolio balancing, so on and so forth. However, it's worth mentioning that flash loans, despite so many advantages, have seen slower uptake by users. Undoubtedly, this is because flash loans are complex and require good technical knowledge for execution. Our team believes that there exists huge untapped potential around flash loan services, and we could make them more accessible to the general public by developing one-click, user-friendly flash loan-powered applications. So this brings me to our vision statement, which is to build a robust and accessible DeFi infrastructure in a secure and transparent way, and to support multi-chain interoperability and for value accretion towards the broader DeFi ecosystem. Fly me to the moon. So our very first product is about self-repaying loans. So our product really allows users to deposit stable coins, DAI, USDC, or USDT as collateral to borrow against, and deploys this collateral into DeFi yield aggregators and utilizes it for flash loans to generate yield that will automatically pay off the loan. So in order to do this, we have a couple of products in place. So first one is a Fryer. It's like a vault which collects the user base assets, and afterwards these assets are put to work to earn yield. In order to diversify the source of yield, 20% is set aside as collateral for flash loans, while the remaining 80% goes to earn finance vaults. Once you make the deposit, you can mint up to 50% of your deposited amount in the form of FUSD, which is a future yield-backed asset, which is pegged to a basket of top stablecoin assets at a 1-to-1 ratio. As mentioned previously, there is no interest, there is no liquidation risk, and the earned yield just pays off the debt. Another product which supports the self-repaying loan architecture is Oven. It's like a debt converter where the interest that is produced by Earn Finance and the flash loan service fees are thrown into periodically. Additionally, a really great feature of Oven is that it allows users to stake their FUSD and have them converted into a stable coin over time at a fixed 1-to-1 ratio. So here, let me just give you like a very short demo of how self-repaying loans work. Here. So this is what a Fryer looks like. So you just go ahead and select the stable coin that you want to make your deposit in. I just selected USDT. You just select the amount that you want to deposit, hit the deposit, confirm your transaction. Once that's done, you can just go ahead and borrow up to 50% of the value, as mentioned previously. And following this, you just wait for your collateral to be put to work to generate yield and pay down your debt. So as collateral generates yield over time, the amount which is available for withdrawal goes up. So you can just come back, check back in a while, and withdraw the available balance. If you're looking to repay your debt earlier than the protocol does, you can just head to the Repay tab, choose stablecoin or FUSD, or a combination of both to make adjustments to your debt. Finally, should you find yourself wanting to, close your position, but you don't have stable coins or FUSD available, don't worry, you can always use your collateral to self-liquidate. So this pretty much rounds it up for how Fryer works. And then we have Oven. So in terms of Oven, you just determine like the amount of your synthetic derivative FUSD that you want to stake. As yield flows in, Aven converts your FUSD into grillable tokens here. And once you hit grill, your FUSD is converted into a stable coin of your choice, USDT in this case. And once that's done, you can just withdraw it directly to your wallet. So that's pretty much it for Aven. So all in all, we create these self-repaying loans with the idea of having diversified yields, zero liquidation risk, and low fees and low maintenance. So uncorrelated competitive high-yield strategies really guarantee that that repayment will not be interrupted by market fluctuations. There is no liquidation risk, so your deposited collateral can never be lost. And finally, because the automatic loan repayment architecture demands like really no time or effort or resources, it's just low fee, low maintenance. In addition to our two products, we have the third one, which is CHFRY. This one is a place where farming and staking really take place. So user just deposits capital to the farm pools and they earn cheese governed tokens in return. As we see on CHFRY, we have 6 different pools available, which support both LP staking and direct staking. So we have FUSD, Cheese, AllUSD, and meme pools for direct staking. And then we have FUSD 3CRV pool and Cheese Ether LP pool on Sushi for LP staking. And now let me introduce you to Flash Leverage. This is one of our Flash loan powered applications where we leverage Flash loans as the underlying infrastructure to create fair, accessible, efficient, and transparent financial solutions. So Flash Leverage is really the cheapest on-chain leverage trading tool, which is powered by Flash loans. And it combines Flash loans with on-chain lending protocols such as Aave V2 to provide a leverage solution at a low interest rate and allows users to open, hold, close both long and short positions and add margin if needed. So here, let me give you like a very short demo of how Flash Leverage works. So this is what our Flash Leverage page looks like. It's on testnet environment for now. We're looking into deploying it on Ethereum mainnet in the beginning of February or so. So we start the interaction with Flash Leverage by opening an account. And you can choose if you want to either short or long, if you want to open either short or long position. So once that's done, you have to go ahead and approve the collateral spend on our protocol. So you just click on approve. Once that's confirmed, we can go ahead and let's see. Determine the amount of collateral that you will be providing to for opening the position. Afterwards, you can just determine swap loss tolerance, which I put at 0.5. I confirm. Next, I can go ahead and set leverage, which I'll set at around 2. And please note that at this moment, the amount of Ether is automatically determined. So this will be the amount of Ether that you'll be longing. So now I'm going to click on long, and that's it. I've opened a long position on CHFRY. Now, if we scroll down, we can see some information about the position. So the collateral that we've provided on the lending protocol, which will be Aave in this case, the amount that we've borrowed, health factor of our position, maximum LTV, current LTV, liquidation threshold. And down here, we have information about the amount that we've deposited on the lending protocol and the amount that we've borrowed. Up here, we have information about the order. And on the same place, we can add margin if needed. So if you think that you're like very close to the liquidation threshold, you can always click on add margin, determine the amount that you want to add, and just click confirm. So once the transaction is confirmed, you can also see at the very end of the page that the information is updated. So here, like you can see that you've deposited DAI of around 100 DAI. Finally, if you want to close your position, you simply click on close. And here you get information about the estimated tokens to get. And you can always determine the swap loss tolerance. And once that's done, you can just click on confirm, and you've successfully closed a position on on CHFRY. With Flash Leverage, we really try to create these product which is very capital efficient. It's done through one-click trading experience, and we just have like super low fees. So you can leverage your capital through flash loans and amplify your trading position. You can do all of this through like super user-friendly one-click solution, and you can do this with record low fees of around 3 to 4%, which is on average 80% cheaper as opposed to what other platforms charge. And what's super interesting is that it's everything, all of this is done through flash loans, like this underlying infrastructure which enables this user-friendly one-click solution. It's all the flash loan infrastructure really. Talking about low fees, in addition to having this like very, very low rock bottom fees, we also have some incentive programs in place. The Flash Leverage users have their yields enhanced by cheese rewards, which means that when you open an account, you can claim some cheese rewards. When you open a position, when you close a position, when you hold the position for a period of time, you can claim some rewards. Additionally, we also have CHFRY, a flash loan mining program in place, which means that after you take a flash loan, and as you see, opening a position, closing a position, all of this require these utilizing flash loans, which is not like visible because it's all underlying infrastructure. But as you're using the flash loans, you can actually claim additional cheese rewards proportional to the amount of flash loan that you've used. Yeah, we have like different rewards in place in order to incentivize more users to participate on CHFRY. To wrap it up, our roadmap, just a little bit about the roadmap. So in the first quarter of 2022, we are really trying to work on introducing a BSC. We are working towards building DAO. We want to introduce more collateral types and also work towards yield diversification. In quarter 2 of this year, we are looking at building full on-chain governance system. We are trying to organize some hackathons in order to find some like-minded people who also want to contribute to building more flash loan powered application to create this user-friendly decentralized space and redefine the existing ecosystem. And also we're looking at developing a cross-layer FUSD. So this is pretty much it for CHFRY Finance. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening to our presentation. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via Discord or Telegram. We'll be more than happy to give you more details about the product and our platform. And yeah, thank you so much. We're really excited to be here. Thank you.